there, it's Garrett from the Hooting Pirate, and today we are talking puffy stickers. Now, puffy stickers in the planner community have sort of a bad rap. They are not fun in your planner because you're running along on the opposite side of the page of where you've put one and your pen pokes right through the paper and it's super annoying. So I am going to hopefully try to convince you that puffy stickers aren't that bad and that you should use them in your planner because look how pretty they are. These ones are from Simple Stories, Carpe Diem. My son used a lot of those ones. These ones are from Paper House, Wonder Woman. And look at the, one sec, you can't see them with the unicorns, and these party ones are so fun. And then there's all kinds of other ones. These I think are from American Crafts. They look so nice at the top of your planner. But what happens when you put them in your planner and you just can't plan? That's not good. So I have 5 different ways for you to use puffy stickers in your planner so that they won't disrupt your planning. You won't punch through the page from the other side. But first, I just want to show you what puffy stickers are made of so it's easier for you to understand what's happening. So my son, he cut the dog's ear off. Yeah, I think he did get bit by a dog. That might have something to do with it, but whatever. He's happy with dogs now. I just want to show you. See how it's like 2 pieces of plastic and then a layer. I wonder if I can just take him apart. So it's a piece of foam and then 2 pieces of plastic sort of sandwiching it together. I can probably use him. These ones are a bit different. They're really squashy, and I love just sitting here and squishing them. And I went ahead and cut one in half to see why. And this one is sort of like a foam, like a thicker, and it's not like that foam in the other one. It's, I don't know, it's thicker and it's continuous. There's no plastic. It's all the same material right through the entire sticker. So maybe I can still use that one. If you can't see the seam, we'll see. All right, so now let's get into those 5 tips because I really want you to use these pretty puffy stickers in your planner. So first of all, I'm going to take out my Christmas planner because Christmas isn't that far off. And I'm going to show you some of the things I did in this one. So in this spread, what I've done is this is a puffy sticker. He's on the outside edge. These snowflakes are puffy stickers, this tree and these snowflakes here. These are all around the edges of my pages so that there's less of a possibility of me writing on the back of where those are. I'm going to write in the middle parts of the pages. So here it's pretty risk-free. So I can put a puffy sticker here and I'm probably not going to write on the back. Another great place to put puffy stickers is here in where the rings are going to be. And the Simple Stories from this year, they have some really cute longer ones like this candy cane. Would look super cute right in there. It doesn't actually fit too well, but if you had a bigger planner it would work. Got a long tree, the fa la la would fit. And the stocking would definitely fit. So those are some ideas, or you could just put some of the little things in here or in the corner or somewhere like that. Anywhere that you're not going to write is a great place to put a puffy sticker. All right, on to number 2. Why not make a clip? I love making clips. I make clips a lot, and puffy stickers are a great way to make clips. So what I like to do is, well, if you like to fussy cut, which I actually do, but this is a whole other level of fussy cutting. You can fussy cut out a piece of paper to put on the background, but what I find easier is to hole punch a piece from pattern paper so that way you have both sides, and so the back of your clip isn't going to be funny looking. Actually, I think it's this one, yeah, because I got the teacup in this one. And then just take your whatever you're going to use. Let's use this flower, and of course a paper clip, and just stick it on. Now I would use a little bit of hot glue here just to secure that clip, and this isn't Christmassy, but that's right, we'll put it in just to see how it looks. And then even the backing can go down over the page. So that looks super cute. That was number 2. Make them into clips because you're not going to write at the top of the page. On to number 3. Put them in the pockets. So I've decorated these pockets. What I've done, this is from Paper House from last year, is I've taken the backing piece and I've cut around so I have a little bit of the backing around the reindeer. Yeah, you can sort of see when the glare hits it. And then I've stuck just that front leg on to this other piece of packaging with the washi wrapped around. And I've stuck the front leg on, and then that's the only thing holding on. If I just did that with the sticker, then I get dust and everything sticking to the back of it. But this way, the sticker stays clean and I can still attach it to the washi thing. Sometimes I'll stick things to the leather like I have here, but what I'll do is I'll stick it to my skin or I'll stick it somewhere else first so it's not quite as sticky so it won't ruin the leather. Might still, but the risk is a little less. Okay, so now we're on to number 4, and that is dashboards. And I don't have one on one of my dashboards in here, but I do have one here on my inserts. So here I've added puffy stickers to the insert. So that looks super cute as well. You can do the same thing with dashboard in a ring, planner, whatever one you're using. But that's because you're not going to write on the back of a dashboard. Normally, you could. Another thing is a transparent overlay or a transparent dashboard. Now, I've made one here. It's just like a pocket that I stitched, and I've added the puffy sticker on the inside. You could have this just the transparency and have it on the outside. This is actually a little shaker guide. It's super cute. There's another one there. And like the dashboard, you're not going to write on the back of it. You can use a piece of laminate when you laminate. So you can laminate something and then stick the puffy sticker on top or whatever you like to make it pretty and make it unique to you. I'm going to send you to this video here, and that is the one where I set up this planner. So I hope you enjoy that. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.